Good evening, guys. All are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. Fine, guys. So in AWS, today is the second class, guys. Yesterday we had one class. Just we discussed about the course content. Right, in AWS. Right, as first session, we discussed about course content, guys. Session 1. Just a course content we discussed in last session. Okay, today is the session 2, guys. So what we are going to understand in today's session, guys, can anyone tell me what is AWS, guys? What is AWS? What is AWS stands for? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services, guys. See, guys, Amazon company is providing cloud infrastructure, right? Amazon company is providing cloud infrastructure, guys. Right? From which year AWS is providing this cloud infrastructure, guys? From how long? From which year AWS is providing this cloud infrastructure? From which year AWS started providing this cloud infrastructure, guys? From 2006 onwards. From 2006 onwards, AWS is providing this cloud infrastructure. Right? AWS company is providing services, guys. See, let me write the step set here, guys. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. Right, Amazon company is providing infrastructure from 2006, guys. From 2006 onwards, AWS is providing this cloud infrastructure, guys. AWS company is providing cloud infrastructure from 2006 onwards. From 2006 onwards, they are providing this cloud infrastructure. Right, guys. Amazon company is providing services, guys. For how many countries this Amazon is providing the services, guys? Amazon is providing the services 190 plus countries, guys. Amazon is providing the services. Amazon company is providing services to Amazon company is providing services for 190 plus countries, guys. 190 plus countries Amazon is providing, guys. Guys, around the globe, right? Amazon company is providing it 190 plus countries, guys. Amazon company is providing services to Amazon company is providing services for 190 plus countries around the global, guys. Read it, guys. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Amazon company is providing cloud infrastructure from 2006 onwards. Amazon company is providing services plus, right, 190 plus countries, guys. Right, globally 190 plus countries AWS is providing the services. Right, guys. AWS provides a highly reliable, scalable, low-cost infrastructure platform, guys. AWS is providing a highly reliable, scalable, low-cost, and low-cost infrastructure, guys. Low-cost infrastructure platform. AWS is providing highly reliable, scalable, and low cost infrastructure platform, guys. Guys, read these steps once, guys. Read these steps. What is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Amazon company is providing cloud infrastructure from 2006 onwards. Amazon company is providing services for 190 plus countries right around the globe, guys. AWS is providing highly reliable, scalable, and low cost infrastructure platform. Read the steps, guys. Guys, finally, tell me, guys, what AWS is providing, guys? AWS is providing the infrastructure, guys. AWS is providing infrastructure, guys. By using that infrastructure, we need to create the platform to run our applications. I want to run one application. If you want to run the application, what you require? Right, infrastructure must be required. Inside the AWS cloud, I need one infrastructure to run my Java application. To run my Python application, I need one infrastructure. To run my .NET application, I need one infrastructure. That infrastructure is going to providing by AWS only. AWS will provide the services, guys, for 190 plus countries, guys. AWS is providing a low cost infrastructure platform. Okay, first tell me, what is infrastructure? What is infrastructure? What is infrastructure? What is infrastructure, guys? See, guys, I want to start one restaurant business, guys. I want to start one restaurant business. Right? If you want to start one restaurant business, right, without having any infrastructure, can you able to start it? I want to start one restaurant business. If you want to start the restaurant business, you should have the required infrastructure or not. For starting the restaurant business, what is the infrastructure, guys? What is the required infrastructure to start the restaurant business? And we need one big building is required. We need kitchen setup is required. We need tables and chairs are required. We need one counter is required. So this is the infrastructure which is required to run restaurant business. If you want to start any restaurant business, first you need to set up the infrastructure. Without setting up the infrastructure, how you can able to start the restaurant business? You need to set up the infrastructure, then only you can able to start the restaurant. To start the restaurant, first you need to set up the infrastructure. What infrastructure you need to set up? First you need to set up one building. Inside that building, one kitchen equipment you need to set up. Tables, chairs, counter, all these things are required to set up to start the restaurant business. Okay, if you have the idea to start the restaurant business, guys, without having infrastructure, can you able to start it? No, guys, no, we can't able to start it, guys. Compulsory, we should have that infrastructure. Okay, I want to take the offline classes, guys. I want to take the offline classes. Right. If I want to conduct offline classes, what I need, guys? For conducting online classes, one laptop is enough, guys. And one Zoom software is enough. Internet connection is enough, guys. I can start the online classes. But if I want to start offline classes, we need required setup or not, guys? We need one big room is required. In that room, chairs are required. Right, a table is required. Whiteboard is required. Right, monitor is required. All this setup is required or not, guys? Yes, we should have this infrastructure. Then only we can able to start the offline classes. Same, guys. If you want to start one hospital, what we required, guys? Required infrastructure must be required or not? Right, to start the hospital business, right? So infrastructure is required or not? Building is required, operation theaters are required, right? General wards are required, right? The beds are required. All these things are required, guys. Without having all these things, can you able to start hospital? No, guys. To start any business, first we need to set up the infrastructure. Same way, to run Spring Boot application, to run Java application, we need infrastructure. To deploy the applications, we need infrastructure, guys. Now, who is providing that infrastructure? AWS. AWS is providing the required infrastructure to run our application, right? We can set up that infrastructure on our own, guys. On our own, in our premises only, we can set up the infrastructure. But if you do like that, right, so many drawbacks are there. And you need to take care a lot of things if you set up the infrastructure on your premises. Instead of that, we are going to cloud computing. Cloud computing, guys. Right, we have several cloud computings are available. AWS is available. Azure is available. GCP is available. Right, they are providing the required infrastructures to run our application. They are providing the infrastructure platform to run our application. Now, we are not required to create the infrastructure on our premises. Right? AWS is providing the required infrastructure. Use it and pay the rent, guys. Pay the rent. Monthly basis, we need to pay the rent to that cloud providers, guys. Understood, guys? What is infrastructure clear? What is infrastructure clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
What is infrastructure? See, guys, I want to start the hotel business. Hotel business, I want to start. For hotel business, to start the hotel business, what is the required infrastructure, guys? Building is required. Building is required. Tables are required. Next, chairs are required. Chairs are required. Next, plates. Plates are required. Right. Next, we have spoons. We should have the spoons. Right. So, and kitchen setup. Kitchen setup. Everything must be required. Then only we can able to start the hotel business. Everything must be required, guys. Before starting the business only, you should set up this infrastructure. Then only you can start. Okay. I want to start offline classes, guys. Offline classes I want to conduct. And if I want to start the offline classes, required infrastructure is what, guys? Required infrastructure is what to start the offline classes. One big room is required. Big room is required. In that room, right? In that room, right? Chairs are required. Chairs are required. Right? Monitor, TV is required, guys. Right? TV, monitor is required, and the network is required. Network is required. Power backup is required. Power is required, guys. Next, whiteboard is required. Whiteboard is required, and like this, etc. And all these things are required to set up the offline classes. We should have all these things, then only we can start the offline classes, guys. Offline classes, guys. Okay. Forget about these things, guys. Forget about hotels and offline classes and all, guys. Come to our IT infrastructure. Come to our IT infrastructure.
Probability theory is a basic.
How you will set up the IT infrastructure? If you want to set up the IT infrastructure, what we require? To set up the IT infrastructure, what we required? Computers must be required. First thing is computers must be required. Next, servers must be required. Next, load balancing must be required. Load balancing must be required. Next, power must be required. Power must power must be required. Next, network must be required. Next, storage, guys. We need to store the data. Whenever we are executing the application, internally some data will be generated. That data we need to store. So storage also must be required. Next, guys, security must be required, guys. Security must be required for our application. Next, here, monitoring must be required. Monitoring also must be required, guys. See, guys, servers means what servers, guys? Web servers, application servers, database servers, all these things we need to take. Servers are nothing but what we required. Servers are nothing but here we need to take care of the web servers. Next, here we need to take care of the application servers. Next, guys, we need to take care of the database servers. All these things are required. Computers, servers, load balancing, power, network, storage, security, monitoring, all these things are required to right? Set up the IT infrastructure. Is it clear, guys? Total infrastructure means these things are required. Right? How offline classes infrastructure means these things are required. IT infrastructure means these things we required. Are you guys are following me? Guys,
Yes,
please
sir.
confirm in chat
Yes, sir.
box. Is it clear what is infrastructure? What is infrastructure? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, guys. You can set up this infrastructure on your premises also. You can set up this infrastructure on your premises also. Right? See, guys, if you want to set up the infrastructure on your premises, what is the problems which we are going to face? Nikila, please stop your camera. Right? If you want to set up the infrastructure on your premises, what problems you will face, guys? What are the problems which we will face if I set up the infrastructure on our premises? On premises. On premise, guys. On premise, I want to set up the infrastructure. Then what are the problems which we will go to face, guys? Security problem. Security problem, guys. Next, privacy, guys. Security, privacy, this problem. And scalability, guys. Scalability. You need to take care of the scaling, guys. If traffic is increased, suddenly traffic got increased, guys. I want to increase the number of servers. If traffic is reduced, I want to decrease the number of servers. That scalability also we only need to take care. Next, high availability, guys. Availability means what, guys? Without a downtime, our application should be in running condition. Without any downtime, our application always should on premises is nothing but on our office. In our office, right, we are setting up this infrastructure, guys. In our location only, manually we are doing this setup. That is called on premises infrastructure. On premises means in our location only we are setting the infrastructure. Right? If you do this activity, so all these things you only need to take care. Security you only need to take care. Scalability you only need to take care. Availability, guys. Availability means what? We promise you to the customers, hey man, my application should be 24 hours should be in running condition. My application always in running condition only. You never face any downtime if you use my application. That promise we have given to the customers. So without any downtime, our application should be available to the customers. That is called availability. Availability, guys. Okay, very good. You have set up the infrastructure on your office only. Suppose suddenly, right, power gone, guys. Right, due to heavy rain. Due to cyclone, there is no power, guys. Inverters are not working. There is no power. Then application will be running condition. Our servers also will get stopped, right? In entire day, 24 hours, there is no power means inverters also won't work. Right? Automatically, servers also won't work. Our application will be down or not? Our application will go down or not, guys? Yes. Yes, guys. But we promise to the customers. Right? So due to cyclone, network is not working. Network is not working, guys. How our application will be in running condition? So all these problems we need to face. Security, scalability, availability, right? And network issues, and disaster recovery. This is very, very important. Disaster recovery. All these things, guys. All these things, right, we only need to take care. This is not that much easy, guys. Managing all these things manually, it is not that much easy. Right? If you set up the infrastructure on your premises, all these things you need to take care. Is it clear, guys? What are the problems we will face, right, if you set up the infrastructure on your premises? So these are the problems we will face. Guys. Now tell me, what is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? Guys? Right, providing IT resources on demand basis over the internet is called as cloud computing. What is cloud computing, guys? Providing the IT resources. Guys, all these are the IT resources only. computers, servers, load balancing, power, networking, storage, security, monitoring. All these are the IT resources only. Now, cloud computing means what? Providing these IT resources on demand basis. On demand basis means what? Whatever they demanded, those things only we are providing. As a cloud provider, what I am doing, whatever customer is expecting, whatever customer is asking, those things only I need to provide over the internet. Over the internet. That is called as cloud computing. If anybody asks you, Array, what is cloud computing? What answer you guys will give? Providing IT resources on demand basis. Guys, AWS is providing 200 plus services, but we are not giving all 200 plus services to the customers. Whatever he is demanding, whatever he is asking, those things only we are providing over the internet. That is called as cloud computing. Understood, guys? What is cloud computing? Providing the IT resources on demand basis over the internet is called as cloud computing. Providing the IT resources, providing the IT resources, providing the IT resources on demand basis, on demand basis over the internet, over the internet is called as cloud computing. Right? Providing IT resources, providing the IT resources on demand basis over the internet is called as cloud computing. Right, guys? Here cloud providers giving infrastructure based on, cloud providers are giving the infrastructure, cloud providers are giving the infrastructure based on what, guys? Cloud providers are giving the infrastructure based on what? Pay as you go approach. Pay as you go. Pay as you go. Pay as you go. Correct. Pay as you go approach, guys. Cloud providers are giving the infrastructure based on pay as you go. Guys, don't pay the money for everything. Whatever you are using, only pay for that. Whatever the resources you are using, whatever the services you are using, it pay for that only. That is called as pay as you go. Pay as you go, guys. Whatever you are using, whatever the resources you are using, just pay for that only. No one will force you to use multiple resources, guys. No one will force you to use all the resources. Whatever you want based on your requirement, take those resources only, pay for that only. Only pay for that, guys. Cloud providers are giving the infrastructure based on pay as you go approach. Pay as you go means what, guys? Right, whatever you are using, pay for that only. No one will force you to use all the services, guys. Based on your project requirement, you can use whatever the services you want and just pay for that. Just pay for that, guys. Don't pay unnecessarily. Don't pay for all the services. No one will force you to use all the services also. Right? What is cloud computing, guys? Providing the IT resources on demand basis over the internet is called as cloud computing. Right? Cloud providers are giving the infrastructure based on pay as you go approach. Pay as you go approach, guys. Is it clear, guys? What is cloud computing? Is it clear? All are following, guys. Guys, only Najish is responding. What about others? Around 15 people are there, but only one person is responding. Other people are following or not? Okay, fine, guys. Now let me check in Google what they have given. Let me check in Google what they have given, guys. What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? Let me take here, guys. What is cloud computing? See guys, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially cloud compute. Read it, guys. What they have given. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without a direct active management by the user. Large clouds often have functions distributed over multiple locations, each of which is a data center. What is data center? All those things we will discuss, guys. We will discuss all those things, guys. And here what they have given. Let me check here. Read it here, guys. Read it here. Read it here, guys. Here, read it here. Read it here, guys. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Is it same what I have written there? Is it same, right? What I have written there? Cloud computing is the, let me copy this one, guys. Let me copy this one. Yes, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Based on pay-as-you-go pricing. Is it same or not, guys? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Right? So now, guys, see what advantages we have. If you go with the cloud computing, what advantages we have? Right? Let me click on this. Let me click on this. We'll see what they have given. Is there any advantages they have given? We'll see. See, guys, benefits of cloud computing. Benefits of cloud computing. See, guys, what they have given. Agility. Right? See, guys, elasticity, cost saving. Right? Deploy globally in minutes only, fraction of, right? Quickly we can do the deployments. Right? Quickly we can do the deployments, guys. See, guys, let me add it, guys. We will discuss what is types of cloud computing. We will discuss, guys. What is IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. We will discuss it. Okay, so now let me add these advantages also here, guys. Let me write the advantages. Let me add the advantages here. Advantages with cloud computing. Advantages with cloud computing. Advantages with cloud computing. Okay, fine, guys. Now here, first one, guys. The first advantage is here already we have pay-as-you-go pricing. Don't pay unnecessarily. And whatever you are using, only pay for that. That is one of the advantage we have. Pay-as-you-go pricing. Pay-as-you-go pricing, guys. This is one of the advantage which we have. Second one is cost also very low, guys. Low costing. Next one, guys, high scalability available. Scalability, guys. Right? If traffic is suddenly increased, guys, automatically cloud providers, cloud computing will increase the number of servers. If traffic is suddenly reduced, no problem, cloud computing will reduce the number of servers also. Next, availability, guys. Availability. Applications are highly available, guys. Applications are highly available. High availability is there. Without downtime, your application will be in 24/7 running conditions, guys. Always your application in running condition only without any downtime if you go with cloud computing. Suppose if you are maintaining the infrastructure, if any power issue, if any network issues, your applications also will be down. Suppose any cyclone came, any heavy rains came, your application also will go down, guys. Due to that rains, obviously we will get the network issues. Because of that, our application will go to down state. But if you go with cloud computing, they will take care. We don't need to worry, guys. Availability, scalability, everything, cloud computing only is going to take care at here. Availability means what, guys? We are promising to the customers. Right? Suppose if you take banking applications, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, 24/7, those applications are in running condition or not? Can you see any time applications are in downtime, guys? No, guys. No. Right? 24/7, those applications are running condition only. Right? That is called high availability. Guys. And the security also very high. Guys. And here you will get unlimited storage also. Unlimited storage you will get with this cloud computing. Unlimited storage, and backup is available. Backup you will get, and reliable. It is reliable, guys. High reliability. You will get it here. See, guys, these are the advantages we have with cloud computing. These are the several advantages we have with cloud computing, guys. Pay as you go pricing, low costing, scalability, availability, security, unlimited storage, backup, reliability. These are the different advantages we have with right, cloud computing, guys. Just have a look into this, guys. Guys, suppose if you set up the infrastructure, if we set up the infrastructure on our own, then it is called as on-premise or in-house infrastructure, guys. On-premise or in-house infrastructure. If you set up the infrastructure on your own, then that is called as on-premise infrastructure or in-house infrastructure. Right? On-premise infrastructure is too costly, guys. You need to go to the market. You need to purchase the computers. You need to purchase the servers. You need to take care of network. You need to take care of backup. You need to take care of power. You need to take care of security. All those things you only need to take care if you go with on-premise infrastructure. If you want to take care of all these things, it is too costly. It is too costly, guys. When you go with the on-premise infrastructure, it is too costly, guys. Okay, managing on-premise infrastructure is very, very difficult, guys. Managing, can you able to stop the cyclone? Can you able to stop the rain? We can't able to do anything, guys. Due to that heavy rains, power issues will come, network issues will come. If power issue, network issue is there, obviously our application will go to downstate, guys. It is very difficult to manage on-premise infrastructures, guys. Understood? If we set up the infrastructure, on our own, then it is called as an on-premise or in-house on-premise or in-house infrastructure. On-premise or in-house infrastructure, guys. Right? On-premise infrastructure is too costly. On-premise infrastructure is too costly. Next, managing on-premise infrastructure. On-premise infrastructure is very, very difficult. Guys. Managing on-premise infrastructure is very, very difficult. Understood, guys? That's why to overcome this headache, right, we are going with the cloud computing. Guys. Is it clear, guys? Why we need to understand cloud? Why we are going with the cloud computing? Now you guys got the basic clarity. If you want, you can set up everything on your office only, and right on your own you can set up, guys, but it is very difficult to manage, guys, and it is too costly, guys. See, guys, I purchased all these things. I have set up everything on my own in my office, guys. Okay, first 2 months are okay, 3 months are okay, 6 months are okay. Suddenly my business down. Suddenly my business is not good, guys, and I am planning to close my business. What I need to do with all these things? I purchased so many computers, servers I purchased, backup I purchased, everything I purchased, guys. But my business is not good. I want to close. I want to close my entire business. What I need to do? What I need to do, guys? Money waste or not? Time waste or not? Tell me, guys. Right? Is it
Yes,
time
sir.
waste, money
Yes,
waste
sir.
or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Ayyo, not getting any responses.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you go with cloud computing, guys, how many months you want, you can use it, pay for the rent and close it. Right? Anyway, they are charging very low, right? Low costing only. So how many months you want? How many months you can able to run your business? Use it. After that you can close it. You won't lose anything. Right? But if you set up everything, you will lose, guys. Definitely you will lose something, guys. See, guys, if we set up the infrastructure on our own, then it is called on-premise or in-house infrastructure. On-premise infrastructure is too costly. Managing this on-premise infrastructure is very, very difficult. Guys, read it, guys. What is cloud computing? Providing the IT resources on demand basis. Providing IT resources. I'm removing this line. At same line, I have written in 2 steps, guys. At providing the IT resources on demand basis over the internet, guys. Cloud providers are giving the infrastructure based on the pay-as-you-go pricing, guys. And what advantages we have, guys? Pay-as-you-go pricing, low costing, scalability, availability, security, unlimited storage, backup, reliability. All these are the advantages of the cloud computing. Suppose if you set up the infrastructure on your premises, on your own, right, on your own, guys, it is called as on-premise or in-house infrastructure. On-premise infrastructure is too costly, and managing on-premise infrastructure is very, very difficult. Okay, that's why we are going with cloud computing. Very good. So now tell me, guys, what cloud providers are available in the market? Right, cloud providers are available, guys. Right, so many cloud providers are available. Right, so cloud providers, what cloud providers are available in the market, guys? Who is providing all these things? See, guys, cloud providers. We have several cloud providers, guys. Cloud providers. Cloud providers, guys. Right, here we have several cloud providers in market. We have several cloud providers in market. We have several cloud providers in market. See, guys, the first one is Amazon. Amazon is one of the cloud provider. We will call it as AWS cloud. AWS cloud we will call it as, guys. The second one is Microsoft. Microsoft also providing the cloud, guys. Microsoft here, that is Azure cloud. Right, next, guys, Google also providing the cloud, guys. Google also providing the infrastructure. That is called as GCP, guys. Right, Google cloud platform. Next, guys, IBM also providing the cloud. IBM also providing the cloud, that is called as IBM cloud. Guys. IBM cloud. Next, guys. Right, Oracle also providing the cloud, guys. Oracle also providing the cloud, that is called as Oracle cloud. Guys. Same way, Salesforce also providing the cloud. Salesforce also providing the cloud. Salesforce also providing the cloud, that is called as Salesforce CRM, guys. Salesforce CRM. CRM guys. This is the product guys. Salesforce CRM they are providing. Next guys, VM clouds. And we have the VMware company also guys. VM clouds. VM clouds. VM cloud guys. VM cloud. Right. Next we have right, Alibaba cloud. Alibaba cloud. So like this, we have several cloud providers are available in the market. See guys, we have several cloud providers are available in the market guys. Who are available guys? Amazon is available, Microsoft is available, Google is available, right? IBM is available, Oracle is available, Salesforce is available, VM Cloud is available, Alibaba Cloud is available. Like this, we have several cloud providers in the market. We have several cloud providers in the market, guys. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All these are the cloud providers only, guys. All these are cloud providers only. Right? Fine, guys. Among all these cloud providers, which cloud provider have more demand? Which one is the more famous, guys? We have these many number of cloud providers. We have these many number of cloud providers. Among all these things, who is the most popular one, guys? Amazon. Amazon, guys. AWS cloud, guys. 200 plus services they are providing. 190 plus countries. 190 plus countries are using this Amazon services, guys. 190 plus countries are using Amazon services. 200 plus services, 190 plus countries are using, guys. Okay, next, guys. Let me go to here, guys. Let me go to here. Types of cloud computing, guys. Right, cloud computing. Cloud providers are providing the service in 3 ways, guys. Cloud providers are providing the services in 3 ways. What 3 ways are there, guys? One is infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Cloud providers are providing the services in these 3 ways. Cloud providers are providing the services in 3 ways. One is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, guys. Now, types of cloud computings. Types of cloud computings. What we have, guys? That we have below 3 types of cloud computings. We have below 3 types of cloud computings. Below 3 types of cloud computings. What 3 types we have? What 3 types we have, guys? What 3 types are there? One is right, IaaS. Second one is PaaS. Third one is SaaS, guys. IaaS stands for what, guys? IaaS stands for what? Infrastructure as service. Infrastructure as a service. They are providing infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Platform as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one is software. Software as a service. Third one is software as a service, guys. We have below 3 types of cloud computings. One is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. These are the 3 types we have, guys. Right? These are the 3 types we have. Suppose if you go with the first option, to run our application, we should prepare the platform using cloud infrastructure. The case of first case, guys, if you go with the first one, guys, to run our application, we need to prepare the platform, guys. They are providing the infrastructure. By using that infrastructure, we need to prepare the platform, right? So here in IaaS, right, to run our application, we should prepare, right? We should prepare the platform. We should prepare the platform using cloud infrastructure. What does it mean? What does it mean, guys? If you go with IaaS, whatever you want, they will provide. Whatever the resources you want. I want the computers, I want the servers, I want the database, I want the storage, like that. Whatever the resources you want, those resources cloud computing is providing to you. And by using all those resources, you only need to set up the platform. Guys, 1 minute, let me take the charger. See, guys, if you want to run your application, we should have the platform, guys. We should have the platform. And here in IaaS case, you won't get the platform. Cloud providers are not providing the platform, just they are providing the infrastructure. They are providing the resources. By using those resources, we only need to set up the platform. We only need to create the platform to run our application. If you want to run the application, we should have the platform, guys. In the case of IaaS, we only need to prepare the platform by using the by using the resources which are providing by cloud infrastructure. See, guys, providing the infrastructure means what? You want computers, they will provide. You want storage, they will provide S3. You want database, they will provide RDS or DynamoDB. You want security, they will provide the VPC. You want monitoring, they will provide the CloudWatch. Whatever the resources you want, they will provide those resources. By using those resources, you only need to create the platform. You only need to create the required platform to run your application. That is your responsibility. Right. Next. No, I can't able to do all these things. I can't able to do all these things. Right? I need to focus on my development. Right? I need to focus on the coding. I need to focus on my development. So I can't able to take this headache. Then go with PaaS. Guys. In the case of PaaS, to run your application, whatever the platform is required, that platform they are providing. That platform they are providing, guys. In this case, they are not providing the infrastructure. Complete platform only they are providing. Just your application to them, they will run your application in that platform. To run the application, we should have the platform. In IaaS case, you only need to prepare the platform to run your application by using the resources which are providing by cloud providers. But if you don't have the time to prepare the infrastructure, prepare the platform, what you need to do? Go with PaaS. In PaaS, you don't need to prepare the platform. Right here, AWS only providing the platform to you. AWS only providing the platform to you. Just give your application to them. Whatever the application you developed, give that application to them. They will run the application in the platform. They will take care to run that application. Whatever the platform is required, everything will be created by themselves only, and they will run your application. And in PaaS case, platform, complete platform we are going to get. Just to give your application to them, they will run your application. Right? Cloud providers, in this case, cloud providers will give the required platform to run your application. You no need to do anything. Just to give your application. Just to put focus on your application development, guys. Don't think about the platform. right? AWS is providing that platform. Just concentrate on the application logic and complete that application. Give that application to the AWS. AWS will provide the platform to run your application, guys. Okay, super. Right. Next we have SaaS. SaaS. SaaS means what, guys? Software as a service. Array, here you no need to take care of the application. You no need to take care of the platform. You no need to take care of the infrastructure. Right? Everything, whatever you want, everything they only providing to you. Use it for your business and pay the rent every month. That's it, guys. Use it for your business and pay the rent for every month, guys. And to run your business, whatever the software is required, that software they are providing, use it directly. You don't need to do anything. Directly you can use and pay rent every month, guys. See here, we are taking the classes, online sessions on Zoom. Zoom is what? It is one software. Am I doing anything on Zoom, guys? No, I'm using that for my business purpose. I'm using that Zoom. Every month I need to pay the rent, guys. For this Zoom, I need to pay the rent every month. Monthly, right? Quarterly, half yearly, yearly, like that. Right? We need to pay the payments, guys. Right? Which option you will choose? According that you need to make the payment. We are not doing anything, guys. They are developed Zoom application and they provide it to us. We are using for our business, guys. Same way, if you go with the Google Drive is available. Are you doing anything in that Google Drive? No. You are paying some amount. They are providing the Google Drive, guys. Some storage they are providing. You are using for your business, guys. Those are software as a service. They are providing the softwares as a service, guys. Understood, guys? And here, you no need to do anything in SaaS case, guys. You no need to do anything in SaaS case. Right? Cloud providers, right, cloud providers will provide the software right, for our business purpose. For our business purpose, you no need to do anything. Is it clear, guys? Just have a look into this. Just have a look into these points. Right. What types of cloud computing we have? 3 types: IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, guys. If you go with AWS, if you go with Azure, if you go with GCP, everywhere we will have these things. IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Everyone will provide the services in these 3 formats only. Do you want the infrastructure? Can you able to create the platform by using that infrastructure? Go with IaaS. Right. Do you want a platform? If you don't have the time to create the platform, then right, go with PaaS. Whatever the platform is required to run your application, they will provide the platform. Right. So suppose you don't have the time to develop the application also. I don't have the time to develop the application. I don't have the time to create the platform, guys. Then go with SaaS. They will provide the complete software as the service. Use that software for your business and pay the rent. Is it clear, guys? Is this clear or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
PAS means cloud. Plastic beanstalk is there. Ajish, as PAS in AWS, we have elastic beanstalk. IAS means whatever from now onwards till course end, whatever we are going to do, everything is IAS only. Right? Mostly in real time, we will go with IAS only, not PAS, guys. Mostly, right? Whatever our based on our project requirement, we need to take the infrastructure, guys. We need to take the resources, guys. Mostly 99.99% we will go with IAS only. In AWS as a PAS, Elastic Beanstalk is available. Just to give your application to Elastic Beanstalk, right? They will take care of the platform and everything. They will create the platform and they will run your application, guys. Right. So now let me go to here, guys. Let me take IaaS, PaaS, Yes, let me copy this image. Go to paint, paste it. Out. See guys, observe carefully. Observe carefully, guys. Like this. First option is on premises. On premises. At in-house. At in our company only you want to set up everything, guys. See guys, here you can able to see the two colors. This color you need to take care. This color, right, cloud provider is providing. Here we have two colors. This color you need to take care. This color cloud providers are providing. If you go with on-premise, everything you only need to take care. Everything you only need to take care. Application development, application data, runtime, middleware, operating system, visualization, virtualization, servers, storage, networking, everything you only need to take care on premises. You go with on premises, everything you only need to take care. Application development, right, required data, right, application runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, servers, storages, networking, everything you only need to take care. Okay, but if I go with IaaS, IaaS, see guys, it application you only need to take care, data you only need to take care, runtime you only need to take care, middlewares you only need to take care, operating system you only need to take care, virtualization will be taken care by the cloud providers, servers will be taken care by the cloud providers, storage will be taken care by the cloud providers, networking will be taken care by the cloud providers. See guys, up to these things you need to take care here, right? Remaining things will be taken care by cloud provider only. In IaaS, first 5 you need to take care, last 4 will be taken care by cloud providers. But in on premises, everything you only need to take care. Okay, what about PaaS, platform as service? Arey boss, just focus on the application development and required data. Remaining everything will be taken care by the cloud provider only. You no need to think about the runtime. You no need to think about the middlewares, operating systems, virtualizations, servers, storages, and networking. Right? Just focus on the application, develop the application and give that application to PAS. They will run your application on the platform. It will create the platform to run your application and it will run that application. We no need to worry. Just we need to focus on the application development and the data. Okay, suppose if I go with SaaS, everything will be taken care by cloud provider only. Red color, everything will be taken care by cloud provider only. Just use that software for your business and pay the rent. We no need to do anything in SaaS. Is it clear, guys? Just have a look into this diagram. On premises is there, IaaS is there, PaaS is there, SaaS is there. If you go with on premises, everything you only need to take care. If you go with IaaS, right, application, data, runtime, middleware, operating system. So these are things you need to take care. Remaining virtualization, servers, storage, networking will be taken care by the cloud provider. If you go with PaaS, you need to take care of application development and data. Remaining everything will be taken care by PaaS only. If you go with SaaS, software as a service, right, everything will be taken care by the cloud provider only. Just we need to use that software for our business and we need to pay the rent. That's all, guys. Just have a look into this diagram once. Just have a look in. Yes, here they have given. So this color you should manage. This color, cloud providers will manage. Clear, guys? Up to here, clear? Anyone have any questions? Is it clear? Very good. Fine, guys. But today I'm stopping. Tomorrow we will discuss. Tomorrow we will discuss what is regions are available. What need to work. Right? You are not going to work in that. You are not going to work in that software. You are going to use that software for your business. Zoom. Zoom is a software as service. What I am doing with Zoom? I am using Zoom software to provide the online sessions. Google Drive is the software as service. What we are doing with that? That we are not going to create the Google Drive. We are not going to develop the Zoom application. Zoom application already developed, guys. Google Drive application is already developed. We are using that application for our business purpose. SAS means they are providing the software for rent. Right? In our companies, we will have HRMS portals. HRMS portals, guys. Right? So many people are there for giving rent, guys. For giving HRMS applications for rent. Right? In our hotels, guys. In hotels, billing applications are available, right? In computers, they will, right, in a counter, they will maintain one computer. There they will have one application, guys, to generate the bills and all, guys. Billing applications are available. They are developing that application. Hotel people are developing that application. No, guys, someone is developed that application and they have given that software for the rent. Software as service they have provided, right? In hospital management systems, they are using the applications. Hospital team is developing that application. No, someone is developed that application and they have given the software as service. Software as service they have given to the hospitals. Those are software as services. Already those things are developed by someone and they have given to us for, right, our business purpose, guys. They have given to us for business purpose. We are using and we are paying the rent. That's it. Right? So we are not going into the Zoom and we are not going to modify the code which they have written, guys. We are not going into the Google Drive application and we are not going to modify anything in that application, guys. Just we are using for our business and every month we need to pay the rent. Okay. Fine, guys. For today, I'm stopping with this. Tomorrow, we will discuss what regions are available, what availability zones are available, what is data center, right? How data centers look like, right? And we will start. We will see how to create the, right? We will discuss how to create the account. I hope you guys are created the accounts also. I hope. Okay, right? We will discuss all those things in our session. Okay, fine, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys are already created accounts, right? Okay, we'll discuss further what we have. Okay, fine, guys. Most probably from day after tomorrow or tomorrow itself, I will start our first service EC2, guys. So now today you guys got the clarity what is cloud computing, right? What is cloud provider, right? How many ways we have to provide the cloud computings? What types of cloud computings we have? Is it clear? What is cloud computing? Why we need to go for cloud computing? What are the advantages of the cloud computing? Right? How many types of cloud computings are available? Right? All these things are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys. Thank you, guys. For today, I'm stopping. And tomorrow, we will continue. Thank you. Good night.